on a healthy lifestyle to improve our diabetic status so that we do not become diabetic, or if we are diabetic, how to manage our diabetes. So thank you, team, for the wonderful effort. Please enjoy the afternoon and take care, stay healthy, and stay away from sugar.
Thank you so much. That's Mr. Lucian Lazarus, our Director of Nursing at Sana Rehabilitation Hospital. Now, without further ado, let me introduce to you as well the dietitian who have been helping us educate the staff members and our patients, our guests, for World Diabetes Day. Please welcome Ms. David Talan.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. So thank you for taking your time to celebrate with us with the World Diabetes Day. So 2 days ago, we just had our lecture regarding the preventing the diabetes. Okay, so hopefully you already listened and you are already following what I have instructed you. Or did you remember anything or nothing? Okay, I'll let you know about what I discussed about diabetes awareness of during that time. We have discussed about the MOVABA. Any one of you who remember what is MOVABA is? Nobody listened in my lecture. So MOVABA, for you to understand, to prevent the diabetes, you should remember the MOVABA, which is MO for moderation, VA for the variety, and then BA for balance. So you should remember the 3 acronym, MOVABA. Okay? And then the last quote that I mentioned in my lecture is, a moment on the lips, forever on the hips. Okay? So you have to remember it. So whatever you are taking, you should remember that it will contribute for fats in your body. So you have to have a physical activities and of course the MOVABA, moderation, variety, and balance of the diet. So for this afternoon, we're gonna be doing a lecture or BMI computation and of course lecture about the plate method so that you will understand what